In the season of colds and persistent coughs, it's quite handy to have a natural remedy you can use at all times. One of the best ones, which helps every time, is ginger. Ginger is an excellent cough suppressant with antihistamine, anti-swelling and natural antiviral properties that help kill the bacteria that cause the common cold and its symptoms. Whenever you seem like you may be falling victim to a cold, feel totally free to prepare some of the incredible solutions provided below. You'll never ever make use of anything else once again. They can be made use of by grown-ups as well as children alike. Here's how to use ginger as a cure. These are 3 favorite recipes, you can choose whichever you prefer, all 3 are equally effective. Ginger tea. Take a piece of ginger, 10 grams, and cut it into small slices. Place them in a pot and add a cup of water. Bring the mixture to boil and remove it from the heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes, strain and consume it 2 times a day. Ginger lemon juice and honey. Take a small 3-inch piece of ginger and chop it finely. Add half a cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 cups of warm water, and stir the mixture until it's combined. Cover it with a plastic wrap and set it aside for 10 minutes. Then you can drink. Ginger with cinnamon. Cinnamon and ginger are a wonderful combination because in addition to the healing properties of ginger, you also get the antiseptic properties of cinnamon. It will eliminate the viruses in your body, smooth your sore throat and stimulate sweating, which will help you heal faster. Make a cup of ginger lemon honey tea and add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir well and drink. Make a cup of tea with ginger, lemon and honey and add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix well and drink. You can add it to raw or cooked foods and protect yourself from many diseases, strengthen your immune system and overall health. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.